All right guys, today we're going to be giving you a preview of the KC Flexera 4 lights. And we have these in a spot pattern. You can get them in an interchangeable spot or combo beam pattern. They are 80 watt Cree LED, over 7,900 lumens. This is the factory bezel that comes with it. It's that gold color, that KC gold color. You can get interchangeable bezels, come available in blue, red, or black. I have the blue ones here. We opted for, and here's what the combo lenses look like. You just take these bolts out right here. It's self-serviceable. You can change out the lens. So we have a driving pattern here, and the spot pattern is what ours came with. They are IP68 rated. They come with an amber backlight, so it's 2 switches, amber backlight, and then your main spread. 180,000 candela. And in the box, other than the lights, should be your harness and a little sticker in there. Yep. So this has your harness, got your switch. If we're not going to be using this, we're going to be cutting this stuff out. Same thing with probably the relay, inline relays and inline fuses. We're probably not going to be using that because I have the factory switches. Okay, so it gives you some instructions. Take a look at those, read and understand. But we're not going to be using the switch or the inline fuses, I don't think, or the relay that's included, because we have on Whiplash the factory 4 auxiliary switch bank in the Jeep, and on the truck, the Gladiator, we have the S-Pod. So we're going to be wiring it to the S-Pod. On the box, it tells you Signature Flex Aesthetic Machine Accent Bezel, which comes in different colors, black, blue, red, and the factory gold is what comes on the lights. Each different bezel is sold separately. Same thing with the, I think if you go to KC's website, you can actually choose the driving combo beam pattern. You just have to make sure you check that out on the website before you check out. Like I said, it's IP68 rated, amber LED backlight, which I'm really excited to see. 80 watts, 6.7 amp draw, 9 volts to 36 volts. It's 5 inch by 5 inch by 3 1/4 inch deep. 7,912 lumens. If you're going to be changing out the bezels or the lenses, I'm going to show you how to do that. Pretty quick, relatively easy. Just gotta loosen these things up. Well, look at that, it already comes with blue Loctite on there. Very nice. So removing this piece, then your bezel that it comes with. And then if you want to remove your, if you're going to be changing your lens to that driving combo, already has the gasket in there. But if you buy another, if you buy the driving combo, it'll come with a new gasket, so you could swap out your gasket. Go ahead and open up. Just making sure that gasket stays in place. Put on our new combo driving pattern. Yeah, this goes one way. You have these edges where it's like flat on this side, and this side has these little inserts. So you want the flat side down. There you go, you just tighten these up. Very simple. Change the look of your lights, and you can change the functionality of it because these are a combo driving pattern. So these lower lenses will shoot light out in more directions, so you have a wider spread. I did this just for demonstration purposes. I'm actually gonna swap back to this spot beam because that's what I'm gonna run on Whiplash. Here's a list of tools that you're gonna need if you're gonna tackle this install yourself. Keep in mind the 21mm socket and the KC light bar key are only necessary if you're working around a KC light bar. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We are gonna be doing a install video, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.